a dream of every soldier to fight for his nation. And if required, to lay down his life for the nation. That dream comes true only in the life of some. They are lucky, and those who make supreme sacrifices, they live forever.
Nobody wants to walk into this hail of bullets, but the bottom line is, who dares wins. It's very important for us that the sacrifices that have been made by the brave soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces are not only recognized, but also remembered, so that they continue to motivate the present and the future generations of the country. And today, we are undertaking this ride all the way to Dras to pay our homage to one of my company commanders, Captain Vikram Batra, the Paramveer Chakra, and to all the brave soldiers who have laid down their lives during Operation Vijay, and also to revive the passion and patriotism in the youth of the country. The Kargil War, also known as Operation Vijay, was carried out in the year 1999, and this operation was launched to evict the Pakistani army infiltrators. 26th of July, when we celebrate the Kargil Vijay Diwas, was the day when this operation came to an end, and we have successfully evicted all the infiltrators and thrown them back across the line of control.
During the operation, we had quite a number of casualties. I was also injured, but yes, I would like to go back there, see the feature, see the complete Dras area, and feel for myself as to how it feels.
There was a need to celebrate this 22 years of Kargil victory in a very big way. There was also a need to combine this celebration with 75 years of independence. Now the idea of something doing big came from Java Motorcycles.
My first interaction with Anupam Threja was when he came to our support. When I was the GOC 14 Corps in Ladakh, we had to make a community center for the Veer Naris of the Ladakh Scouts. Subsequently, this year, we had 75 Java motorcycles. He said, why don't you lead? I said, it's an excellent idea. And we planned this Dhruva Kargil ride. So we had planned the ride in a manner, we covered the entire Northern Command area of responsibility.
The first segment will start from Udhampur. There will be another segment which will be started from Naushera. Third segment will be starting from Srinagar. And the fourth segment was to start from Leh, go all the way to Karakoram and meet up at Dras.
It's quite beautiful to see that we are all driving on the same road, and especially driving the same bikes. So with senior officers accompanying us, it is a great experience, and I would really cherish such memory.
The ride has been absolutely fantastic, and more so that our army commander is leading us. Nothing could be more inspiring than this.
First, I would like to thank Java people that they arranged such a beautiful thing for us. Adventurous. Yeah, army personals, they enjoy this adventure. But we, the wives of the army personals, are really having nice time.
For me personally, I have a lot of emotions attached to Java ESD motorcycle, because as a youngster, the 80s, early 80s, I had a ESD myself, and it was a very popular bike that time. And today, I got the opportunity to ride this bike again. I really enjoyed the ride, and none of us had any problem with any of the bikes. It was great fun.
How is the Josh? How is the Josh?
Right now, we are at Dras. You can imagine the kind of emotions that every one of us would be having, remembering about what action happened 22 years back.
To this very day, when I was sitting in a tent not very far from here, counting my blessings. So very difficult times, deep emotions, and difficult to explain actually.
This bike ride with the Javas, it's very important for me because I'm going back to the place from where my husband came back to me. 22 years back he was there